Being an artist to me is how do I express myself? Being able to get it out to people, and maybe if they can relate, they'll really like my art. As an artist, I would say my style is definitely realistic. However, I've recently tried to involve some abstract in my art. I use art as a way to release my stress. Like after a test or something, I'll sketch in my room because I have an art studio in my house. The fear that I'd get in trouble if I didn't perform well was definitely in the back of my mind till about middle school. I still feel like it also is what has me worried I'm not doing my best. As an artist, I do find myself doubting myself when I'm struggling like on major projects. However, there's people around me to keep me motivated. Being in sports in the past has definitely kept me from being able to do my full potential in art, because the people in there, some of them would like talk trash about art and stuff. And so that was specifically in middle school, but in high school, some people from like the sports actually gravitated towards art, or like they did both, kind of like what I did. And so I feel like I have two main friend groups, or two like small friend groups, and then I have like a main friend group that actually consists of like people that are doing sports and art. The sports I've done in the past were football and basketball. It was like during the time I actually took art classes, and so I wouldn't be able to like go home and like work on my art pieces because of football, vice versa too sometimes. And so I eventually got nerve damage in my arm, so I quit football and I started pursuing art full time. The doctor said that the injury would definitely probably come back if I continued playing football, because it was in the branch of like my nerves where like if it was hit again, I would probably have to get surgery. A driving factor for the future to keep me creating art would definitely be being around more people. I am scared that I'll lose my motivation, because right now I feel as if I'm surrounded by a lot of people who are doing art. I probably will be for like the next year, but once I get to college, I'm not sure if I will be. In the future, I want to be a historical archaeologist and be able to travel to different places and like actually be hands-on at the place and not like in the background. Art has helped me get more in touch with my emotions, because like I said earlier, it's allowed me to express myself, and so it's really allowed me to find out like who I am as a person.